Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Asma Chaudhary from Dr. Asma YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about most important 20 MCQs of biology subject related to solid waste management. Now let's start. Waste removal system was established in which of the following cities for the first time? Athens, Lahore, Paris, London. Correct answer is Athens. Which of the following solid waste describe the term municipal solid waste? Toxic, hazards, non-toxic, non-hazards. Correct answer is non-hazards. Why it is difficult to recycle plastics? It is very hard. It comes in different size. It is adhesive. It contains different types of polymer resins. Correct answer is it contains different types of polymer resins. Which of the following is done on an individual level? Burning, disposal, recycling, source reduction. Correct answer is source reduction. Why is recycled paper banned for use in food containers? Because it creates a lot of spaces. Because it creates contamination. Because paper can be used only one time. Because paper is very thick and can't cover the food containers. Correct answer is because it creates contamination. Which of the following plans are used as a waste management plan? Plan for reuse, the integrated plan, plan for recycling, plan for reducing. Correct answer is the integrated plan. The organic material of the solid waste will decompose by the flow of water, by the soil particles, by the action of microorganisms, by oxidation. Correct answer is by the action of microorganisms. Which of the following wastes are called the municipal solid waste? Food waste, wood pieces, plastic cans, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. The process of burning municipal solid waste under suitable temperature and conditions in a specific furnace is called landfill, incineration, recycling, vermicomposting. Correct answer is incineration. The burning of solid waste is not recommended because it is very costly, it requires a lot of space, it requires modern technologies, it causes several environmental issues. Correct answer is it causes several environmental issues. When the organic matter present in the sanitary landfill decomposes, it generates methane, nitrogen, hydrogen, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following is the oldest and the most common method used to dump the solid waste? River, ocean, landfill, none of the above. Correct answer is landfill. The disposable wastes contain solids, slurries, liquids, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Find the correct statement. The waste from one process becomes the input for another process. All the processes related to consumption and production produce some kind of waste. There is no real waste in nature. all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following methods is better for the solid waste problem? Recycling, landfilling, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is recycling. Which of the following statements is incorrect for plastic waste? It is used to make compost. It lasts for a longer period of time. Toxic fumes are produced when burnt. All of the above. Correct answer is it is used to make compost. Which of the following can be recycled many times? Wood, plastic, aluminium, organic materials. Correct answer is aluminium. Which of the following gas is produced from landfill waste? Biogas, natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, all of the above. Correct answer is biogas. Which of the following statements is true about zero waste management? Separate collection of each kind of waste, segregation of garbage at the source, community involvement, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. How many main components are there in integrated waste management? 2, 3, 7, 11. Correct answer is 3. Subscribe my channel for more important MCQs of biology. www.youtube.com/Dr. Asma. Take care. Allah Hafiz.